Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are safe and well at home. Now today we are going to see lesson 7 of class ninth, the last leaf. Now this chapter is dealing with the sickness of two people. But one is negative while he is so sick that he feels that he is going to die. But the second person tries to motivate him to live long. Now first I will tell you the theme, then summary, then significance, stages and the characters. Let's see the theme. The theme of the story is that apart from medical treatment, the will to live is also crucial to save the life of an ill person. That means it is very hard to motivate that person who is sick and who has mentally prepared himself that he is going to die. So to motivate that person to know you are not going to die, you will live long, is very difficult. Johnsy falls sick with pneumonia. She loses the will to live. Okay, now Johnsy is a girl who is suffering from a disease and he left the hope of living for long and becomes convinced that when the last leaf of the ivy creeper opposite her window will fall, she will die. Now she has made one thinking that there is a leaf on the ivy creeper, and the day when the leaf will be dried up and fall down from the tree, she will also die. She is looked after by her loving friend Sue and is under doctor's treatment. When Brahman, a painter who lives in the same building, learns from Sue of Johnny's superstition about the leaf. Now, when he came to know about the superstition that कि वो पत्ती गिर जाएगी, उस दिन उसकी death हो जाएगी, he paints an artificial leaf on the creeper. On that same creeper, he has painted a leaf. The leaf does not fall even in the storm, and Johnsy begins to think she will live and recovers. Now, what type of motivation he has done? Brahman has painted the leaf. जैसे वो जॉन्सी का सुपरस्टिशन था कि वो लीफ गिरेगी तो मर जाएगी, तो ब्राह्मण ने क्या किया? ब्राह्मण ने पेंट कर दिया, तो पेंटिंग जो है वो नॉन लिविंग है, तो दैट विल नेवर डाई. तो शी थॉट दैट शी इज going to live long as the leaf is there on the creepy. But Brahman is exposed to cold in the wintry night when he paints the leaf and dies of pneumonia after 2 days. लेकिन वो ब्राह्मण की रियलिटी कब ओपन हो जाती है कि उसने वो नकली लीफ है, जब वो पेंट करने के बाद 2 दिन के बाद pneumonia की बीमारी से उसकी डेथ हो जाती है. The selfless effort made by Brahman saves Johnson's life. Now here you see that Johnsy is suffering from and he is so sick. But here the death of Brahman has taken place, and the death due to save the life of Johnsy. Now we'll see the summary. The Last Leaf is a short story by O. Henry. It is about 2 young artists named Sue and Johnsy and an old painter named Brahman. The girls lived on the 3rd story of an old house and Brahman lived on the ground floor. Brahman's dream was to paint a masterpiece, but this had remained a dream. Now Brahman एक पेंटर था और हर जो कोई जिस फील्ड में होता है वो चाहता है हम उसी फील्ड में नाम कमाएं. तो वो चाहता था कि कोई एक ऐसी पेंटिंग बनाए जो उसकी लाइफ का मास्टरपीस हो. But this chance he didn't get it. Okay, November marked the onset of a cold winter. Johnsy fell seriously ill with pneumonia. No medication seemed to work. मतलब कभी कभी हमारी लाइफ में जब हम बहुत बीमार होते हैं या कोई बहुत बीमार होता है तो दवाइयाँ भी काम करना बंद कर देती हैं. तो इस टाइम भी ये हुआ कि जॉन्सी के ऊपर दवाइयों का काम करना बंद हो गया था. She tried to revive her friend's spirits by talking of clothes and fashions, but to no avail. Now here Sue tries to motivate, divert her mind by talking about clothes, fashions, but वो सब बेकार था. क्यों? क्योंकि जॉन्सी ने अपने माइंड को सेटअप कर लिया था कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार है and she is going to die. She brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room and whistled as she worked, but nothing seemed to lift her friend's spirit. But the Sue was also trying to motivate, but कुछ भी उसका करना बेकार जा रहा था. Sue came to know that her friend was counting the falling leaves of the old ivory vine on the wall opposite their window and somehow linking her destiny with the falling leaves. ना पेड़ वो क्या कर रही थी, जॉन्सी क्या कर रही थी, जैसे जैसे पेड़ की पत्तियां गिर रही थी वैसे वैसे वो अपनी लाइफ के बारे में सोच रही थी कि अब लास्ट पत्ती उस पेड़ की गिरेगी और उसी दिन जॉन्सी की भी डेथ हो जाएगी. She told Sue despondently that she will die when the last leaf falls. Now the superstition that Jhansi has created in her mind, she told Sue. Sue turned to Brahmin for help. Now here there was a painter who was living on the ground floor in the same building. She told him how her friend was convinced she would die when the last leaf fell. The old painter was shocked and came upstairs to look up Jhansi. He did not say anything, but he knew what he had to do. Now here he has came to see Jhansi, but he didn't tell what he is going to do to motivate Jhansi. But quietly he went back. That night, unmindful of the icy cold wind and rain, Brahman went outside, propped a ladder against the wall, and painted a leaf that seemed to cling to the ivory creeper. Now here he has painted a artificial leaf on the creeper. जबकि उस दिन बहुत ठंडा सब कुछ था. It looked so real that the next morning when Jhansi looked out of the window, she thought it was a real leaf. मतलब उसकी पेंटिंग इतनी अच्छी थी कि वो दूर से दिखने में कैसी लग रही थी कि जैसे वो एक रियल लीफ है. The sight of the last leaf that was tranquilly clinging to the creeper revived her. Revived means उसको मोटिवेट किया कि ये लास्ट लीफ अभी भी है, अभी उसको ये नहीं पता था कि वो एक पेंटिंग है. तो वो उसके अंदर जॉन्सी के अंदर एक जीने की इच्छा हुई कि she is living as the last leaf is still there on the creepy. She checked the leaf every hour. The leaf did not fall the whole day and withstood another storm in the evening. Now, as it was artificial, Sue knew it and Brahman knew it, but Jhansi didn't knew it. अब उस दिन क्या हुआ, शाम को फिर से बहुत तेज हवा चली, ठंडा हुआ. The leaf clinging onto the vine made Jhansi realize that she had been wrong to wish for death. Now that day Jhansi realized this thing, that to think of death was wrong. She expressed her gratitude to Sue for taking care of her. Her perspective on life changed. Brahman caught pneumonia the night he painted the leaf in the wind and rain. He never recovered, but before dying he had painted his masterpiece. Now here Brahmin has died of pneumonia because he painted the leaf on that cold night without caring about that it is cold and he is also going to fall ill. But he was unable to recover from that situation and he died. But before his death, as Brahman's dream was to paint a masterpiece, so he did it. The last leaf, his single act of selflessness, had saved the life of young girl. Though the painter was dead, but he has given life to Jhansi. Now we will see the significant stages. First point, Jhansi seems to have given up on life. Now Jhansi, because her superstition was this, that the last leaf of the tree which was there in front of their window on an ivy creepy, that when the last leaf of the tree will fall, she will also die. That day will be the last day of her life because she was suffering from a disease, pneumonia. Okay, and if she isn't willing to live, medicines will not have no effect. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जब हम जो बीमार होता है, अगर उसके अंदर भी इच्छा नहीं होती जीने की, तो दवाइयाँ भी कोई असर नहीं करती. तो सो वी हैव टू बी पॉजिटिव इफ वी आर नॉट वेल, तभी मेडिसिन्स भी उतनी जल्दी इफेक्ट करेंगी. सेकेंड पॉइंट, Sue discovers Jhansi obsession with the leaves. ठीक है, Sue is trying to work and take care of her फ्लैटमेट, मीन्स उसकी कोई कज़न कोई रिलेशन में नहीं थी, लेकिन उसके फ्लैट में वो रहती थी. शी नोटिस जॉन्सी काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड्स मीन्स शी इज काउंटिंग द लीव्स, दैट दीज आर द डेज, हाउ मेनी डेज आर लेफ्ट फॉर माई लाइफ. थर्ड पॉइंट, ब्राह्मण लर्न्स अबाउट जॉन्सीज irrational belief. Now, here Brahman is an old painter who lives on the ground floor. On learning from Sue about Johnson's fixation with the leaves. Fixation means जो उसने अपनी लाइफ को एक पत्तियों से कनेक्ट कर दिया था. ठीक है. When Sue told him, he looks at the ivory outside and sees that there's only one leaf left. जब ब्राह्मण को इसके बारे में पता चला और जब उसने वहां जाके देखा तो वहां पे सिर्फ एक लीफ बाकी थी. तो उसके हिसाब से तो जॉन्सी के हिसाब से तो शी इज गोइंग टू डाई द नेक्स्ट डे. बट वॉट ही डिड विल सी. जॉन्सी वेक्स अप टू फाइंड द लास्ट लीफ हेल्दी. Then the next day she saw that the leaf has not fallen. Surprised to find it green and healthy. How come? Because of the painting of Brahman on that ivy creepy. And Jhansi thought that the leaf is still alive. The girls get to know about Brahman's illness. Now while Jhansi gets better, the girls find out that Brahman was passed away after a short bout of pneumonia. Now here with the artificial leaf, as Jhansi thought that it is a real leaf, she was getting better and better. But opposite to that, Brahman was no more, because when he painted on that night, it was very cold and he was facing the problem of pneumonia. Jhansi discovers the truth behind the last leaf. Now, in the end of the chapter, she came to know about the reality of the last leaf. By that time, she was fit and fine. Sue then tells Jhansi that a ladder, a lantern, and a few brushes and green-yellow paints are also found next to Brahman. अब क्यों? क्योंकि he was a painter. और पेंटर के पास ज़्यादातर क्या मिलेगा? यही सब चीज़ें मिलेंगी. ब्रश मिलेगा, पेंट मिलेगा, लैडर मिलेगा. The last leaf doesn't flutter in the wind because it has been painted. क्यों? क्योंकि वो लाइफ नहीं थी, वो आर्टिफिशियल थी. It was only a paint. और पेंटिंग जो है वो हवा, धूप, पानी से कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं होती है. इट विल नॉट मूव बिकॉज इट इज आर्टिफिशियल. नाउ वी विल सी द कैरेक्टर्स इन शॉर्ट. Brahman was a 60-year-old painter who lived on the ground floor on an old house. He sometimes worked as a model for two young artists, Sue and Jhansi. Now Brahman was a person who was connected with Sue and Jhansi as an model. Now Brahman has, when he came to know about the superstition of Jhansi, with the help of Sue, he has painted on an artificial leaf on that creepy, and while he was painting, the time was very cold, and because of that cold he has suffered from pneumonia and he was unable to recover from that situation and he died. Sue was a young artist who shared a small flat with her friend Jhansi on the third story of an old house. She had a loving and caring nature. That is why she was able to serve, or she was able to take care of Jhansi. Now she was worried about Jhansi because of her superstition, so she told Brahman about the superstition of Jhansi. So here she has also taken care of, and she was also a part of motivation for Jhansi. Now who was Jhansi? Jhansi was a young artist who lived with her friend Sue in a small flat in the third floor. In the cold winter month of November, she fell seriously ill with pneumonia. Medication was not helping, because जब हम अपने आप में नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं तब क्या कहते हैं, हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि मेडिसिन्स भी हमारे अंदर वर्क करें. सो वी हैव टू बी पॉजिटिव टू एवरी सिचुएशन इफ द नेगेटिव थिंग्स आर देयर around us. Now here, as Jhansi was unaware of the painting, she was getting recovered. She was recovering from her illness. But in the end of the chapter, she came to know about the reality of the last leaf, that it was a painting. Jhansi was also good-hearted when she recovered after seeing the last leaf still on the vine. She was filled with remorse for not having cooperated with Sue, who had looked after her so longly. Now she was realizing this thing, that she was negative and she was not helping herself and Sue as she was taking care of her. She realized she had been depressed and gloomy, and the last leaf had shown her how wicked she had been. जो लास्ट लीफ थी उसको ये रियलाइज कर रही थी कि वो कितनी खराब है अपने आप में, उसको अपने आप में बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. She humbly accepted her mistake, but in the end she had accepted her mistake and realizes this thing, that she should not be in negative situation, negative thinking, and she should have not believed in superstitions. Now, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is this thing, that though we are facing so many problems, though the negative things are around us, we have to be positive in our mind. If we are positive, the things will gradually sort out. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please do like and share my channel, Mahi English Classes. Thank you.